Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside My Player or the locker. Open the Apparel or Equipment menu now. You need the compression shirt owned. If not, buy it in the store and return. Once done, make sure your build permits shirt swaps because certain archetypes lock sleeves and layers. You will access the Apparel slot for undershirts specifically. This is separate from outer jerseys. Follow the on-screen tabs to reach undershirt options and prepare to force the selection via the layering slot. You now choose the compression shirt within the undershirt or underlayer slot. Select it and confirm the change. Why this works? Undershirts are processed before outer jerseys, so locking the layer preserves it. If you see conflicts or a locked icon, toggle to alternate outfit, then reapply the compression shirt to force the game to accept it. Make sure to save the outfit. Otherwise, the outer jersey may overwrite the undershirt when loading into gameplay. Finish by saving your outfit and loading into a quick game or My Court to confirm the compression shirt shows under the jersey. If it vanishes, try toggling team uniform visibility or switch arenas so the game re-renders layers. This often fixes conflicts. If problems persist, rebuild the outfit from scratch, clear local cache, or install pending patches. These actions resolve corrupted apparel data. Remember, you're forcing the undershirt layer to persist, so verify after each step to ensure it stays applied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.